If you use ChatGPT or any AI tool and sometimes get answers that miss the point, this video will help. I'll show you 5 simple prompts that make AI actually useful. Whether you want to learn, write, or get a quick idea, try them, and you'll get better results with less guesswork. First, when something sounds too complicated, ask it to explain like on 5. Say, for example, explain quantum physics like on 5. The reply will strip away the heavy words and give you a clear, simple picture you can actually follow. If you need to learn a new skill, ask to be taught step by step. Try, teach me how to create a website step by step like a complete beginner. That way you get a practical path you can follow, not a wall of theory. When your writing feels flat, paste it in and ask to make it better. For instance, improve this text and make it sound more natural. This product is good and works fine. You'll get a smoother version you can use for emails, posts, or descriptions. As you can see, not only does it improve the text, but it also gives me style variations to use. If you want advice from an expert, ask the tool to act as one. Say, act as a fitness coach and make me a weekly workout plan for beginners. Or swap in any role you need. It gives you focused, role-specific guidance that feels like it came from a real person. As you can see, it also shares bonus tips with me. Finally, if you're short on time, ask for a simple summary. You summarize this text in simple words so anyone can understand it. And paste the long article or report. I pasted a transcript of a long YouTube video here. You get the main points in plain language, which saves time and keeps you informed. You can find all prompt templates in the description. Give these prompts a try and tweak them to fit your style. If you like this breakdown, share it and subscribe for more practical tips on using AI better.